Welcome to Best Tech, your best bet when it comes to equipping yourself with the right knowledge and skills. In this video, we will be giving you useful tips on how to avoid mobile money scams. Have you been a victim of mobile money scams? Do you know somebody who has fallen prey to fraudsters? Or are you just scared you could be defrauded of large sums of money in your mobile money account? Best Tech is here with confirmed ways to avoid mobile money scams. Nowadays, mobile phones are among the most valued properties, and cybercriminals know this. We walk around with our phones and we use them to access some of the most private information in our lives. We've linked banking, emails, and other sensitive data to our phones, making them a perfectly centralized target for theft and fraud. Before we proceed, please like this video and subscribe to this channel. Here are some very effective tips to avoid mobile money scams. 1. Keep your mobile PIN secret. This is the very first tip to avoid mobile money scams. Avoid sharing your PIN even with the people you trust most. Also, it is very necessary to create a highly secured password. For each password, it is best to use a random string of characters. Be sure to vary your case and character types. Use symbols, numbers, uppercase and lowercase. Besides, always keep in mind that some things are better kept off social media accounts, including your personal information such as your full name, birth date, and address. This will go a long way to save you from mobile money scams. 2. Avoid clicking links from unknown sources. Before carrying out a mobile money transaction, make sure you carefully read every piece of information which is being sent at every stage to avoid any errors. You may receive an email, phone call, or text claiming any of the following scenarios. First one, you won a prize and you need to pay some fees to collect it. A loved one is in trouble and they need you to send money. The mobile operator needs money to fix a problem with your account. Beware, these are fraudsters. After sending such messages prompting you to act with urgency, they will tell you to send the money through a mobile payment app. Do not click on any links contained in an unexpected email or text message. Do not log into the payment app to see if you have any request for money. Experts suggest that when confronted with such a situation, switch off your phone for about 30 minutes to cancel any pending transactions. 3. Avoid free offers and gifts. Most people who search for free gifts and offers end up as victims of mobile money scams. Avoid links which promise you free data or airtime and sometimes money. Fraudsters have devised this method to get valuable information, after which they will have access to your mobile money accounts. Always disregard any messages asking you to fill in your information and win a free gift. 4. Tread with caution. You shouldn't give your mobile phone to agents to do a transaction on your behalf. If you give your phone to an agent to initiate a transaction on your behalf, you expose yourself to being defrauded. Always count money withdrawn right in front of the agent to make sure it is the exact amount before leaving the place of transaction. Don't trust text messages from suspicious phone numbers regarding your mobile money account. Treat such numbers with suspicion and don't follow instructions they ask. 5. Wait for confirmation. Whenever you make a deposit at any mobile money merchant shop, make sure you receive a confirmation text before you leave. Be vigilant and watch out for text messages from suspicious phone numbers. Always verify transaction details before withdrawing or transferring money. While telecom companies and other financial service providers develop mobile wallets to grow the banking ecosystem, fraudsters are continuously devising new ways to defraud mobile money users. We hope you will consider these useful tips to avoid falling prey to scammers. Please like this video, share and drop a comment. If you are yet to subscribe, please remember to do so. Thank you for watching, and until next time, Best Tech remains your best bet.